What's up, YouTube? It's your girl CC. This is my first video, but I'm just doing a review for the Topicals brightening strips. As y'all can see, my eye is a little black on the side. I fell a few weeks ago, ended up getting a concussion and everything, y'all. But anyways, I wanted to try these out to see if it'll help with my dark marks. Because I do have dark marks under my eyes, whether it was black or not. So I'ma just see if these actually work. When I'm looking at other people's reviews, it don't be looking like they work. So I'ma just see for myself, because you know everybody is different. So I'm just going to put these on right now. I'm just wrapping up my hair so it can get out the way and I can look cute. But this is a quick weave that I did about 2-3 weeks ago that need to be taken down and redone again. So if y'all want a video about how I do my quick weaves, just let me know in the comments. So I'm just gonna slide these on. I don't know how to put these on at all, so I think I put them too close to my eyes because I cannot see, so I had to turn around. Let's see. So yeah, I'm just putting those on. Look. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, I got it together by the end of the video though, for sure. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that one on, and then I'm gonna put the other one on, and I'm gonna wait 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and see if anything changed. Again, everybody else said that they worked for them, but when I'm watching their reviews, it don't look like it worked at all. So I guess we'll just wait and we will see. Let's see if I can. Okay, they on. You look good, girl. You look good. My hair done fell down and everything. But so I'm back, period. I'm about to take these off now. And I can say that I think it did make a difference. Like I said, I think you can only see it like by yourself. But like when I took this one off that had my black eye underneath it, like I'm gonna do a before and after for y'all like in a few weeks, but you can definitely see a difference. I was surprised, like you definitely see a huge difference. It must just be me, but yeah, you can see it for sure. So in a few weeks, look how amazed I am. Look. In a few weeks, I'm gonna come back and show y'all exactly my results. I also use a mighty patch for my pimples. As y'all can see, I'm trying to get my skin together, okay? And I use the mighty patch pimples. Those work so good. So thank y'all. See y'all later.